Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to be comparing fractions. So to the left we have 9/10 and to the right we have 4/5. Now there's going to be two ways we can compare. Alright, we can, first one, cross multiply, or some people know it as the butterfly trick. We're going to go across, so 5 times 9 is 45, and 4 times 10 is 40. So when you do this, you want to just make sure whatever you start from the bottom to the top, the number will go on the top. Then you look at these two numbers, 45 and 40, and whichever is bigger, that means the fraction on its side is bigger. So we have 45 and 40, so we know that 45 is bigger than 40. So 9/10 is greater than 4/5. The other way to do it is that make a common denominator first. So we have 9/10 and 4/5. Now we know that 5 is actually a factor of 10. So how can 5 become 10? Well, we would multiply by 2. And remember, whatever we do the bottom, we have to do the top. So if I wanted to rewrite this, we didn't do anything to 9/10. So 9/10, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10. So we know, just by looking at it, because they have the same denominator, we can compare the numerators. So 9 is greater than 8. So once again, 9/10 is greater than 8/10, which is also 9/10 is greater than 4/5. One more example I'm going to show you, but with tenths and hundredths. Now, before you ever add or subtract, you want to make sure the denominators are the same. So by looking at these two, we have 10 and 100. They're not the same. So it's our goal to make them the same. So because 10 is a factor of 100, I would say the bottom numbers or the denominators should be 100. Now, if we want the bottom numbers to be 100, how can 10 become 100? Multiplying by 10, so 10 times 10 is 100. And whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So if we want to rewrite this, 8 times 10 is 80. 10 times 10 we know is 100. And now, because this is already 100, we don't have to do anything. We can just transfer it over. Now, we're going to keep the denominators the same, and we're going to just add the numerators. So your answer is going to be 128 100ths. However, remember, when the big number is on top of a fraction, that's going to be called an improper fraction. So we need to make that improper fraction proper, or a mixed number, composed of a whole number and a fraction. So if I want to I'm going to move this guy over here, 128ths. So now, how many groups of 100 can we pull out of 128? Well, we can make one whole group, and how much is left over? 28 out of the 100. So this is 1 and 28 100ths. Good luck, guys.